So it's really important to make sure if you're gonna clean and disinfect any kind of biohazard that you do it properly. And the proper way to do it, number one, is you have to physically remove as many contaminants as you can. So if there's, we'll say there's a puddle of blood on the floor, wipe up as much of that as possible first. And then the second step would be to grab some sort of cleaner. It could just be soap and water, it could be a degreaser, and you wanna physically clean up as much of the remaining visible contamination as possible. The third and final step would be you're actually applying disinfectant. The problem a lot of people do is they'll take maybe a bleach water solution and they start with that and they start cleaning. Well, bleach water is not a cleaner. It doesn't have any surfactant in it to remove the surface contamination, or the load as we call it in our industry. So it's really important to make sure you clean first and follow that up with a disinfectant. Now there are disinfectants out there that are a cleaner disinfectant. They're a dual role product. They'll say that on the bottle, but then again, remember you still need to do that cleaning process followed by the disinfectant process. You can use the same product, but that initial cleaning and wipe with that product is going to be considered your cleaning wipe, and the second application would be your disinfectant wipe. So the easiest thing to do is just look on the label of the bottle. It'll tell you, is it a cleaner disinfectant? And it should say on the back, if it is, first wipe or first application will be your clean, follow that up by a disinfectant application.